Well, this is what we're dealing with this morning. The lake in the middle of the community became the community. I'm about knee deep, well, a little less. More to come. The street's bubbling. They're trying to make a round back, check on this house there. I might go catch up with them here in a second. There's somebody coming down here too. Roads are pretty impassable. There's a lot of debris out in there. Broken fence here. That's wild. Yeah, we are good, man. We are good. We're just making our way around too. Sounds good, man. Right. American made right there. We're good, thanks guys. People around though, but Yeah. You guys been in that back corner? The back corner is where everything drained to last night there. But there's no more houses in that back corner there. So, and we walked through this all last night. Oh shit. We walked through all this last night, and it was, I mean, you know, awnings and crap like that. It doesn't look like anyone got too bad of a hit here and there. Yeah, everybody sits up. So, but this shit didn't happen till like 2, 3, 4 in the morning. Yeah, it didn't even look. I mean, it got a little bit bad on the streets, but then once that lake filled up, forget it. We're right here if you guys need help later on or whatever, man. We're just, you know, if you see somebody around here or whatever, you guys are all just not doing the same thing we're thinking about doing. So, about to fire up the grill too, you know. Good luck, fellas. For the private file.